In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay on Doordash. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can follow this video through the official app or the official website either on your computer or a phone using a web browser. Regardless of which option you choose, you just have to select the proper region for the Afterpay website or app, and in it, use the search function to look for Doordash. You should immediately see the Doordash option as the official first listed store. You only have to click Doordash through the Afterpay website in order to be redirected to the Doordash site. It's very important that you select Doordash from the official store listed under Afterpay if you want to properly use Afterpay on the Doordash delivery. So just input your address, find whatever you want to order, and go through with the process to make the order as long as you are redirected to the Doordash website. After selecting Afterpay through the app or through the website, you will be able to make the payment using Afterpay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on Doordash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.